Hi there. In this video, we'll try to set up two-column grid with horizontal and vertical text inside each grid. So let's first add a section, and then we'll just set this uh, paddings to 0. Then just set a two-column setup, and then in the row settings, let's disable the inner container. So here's how it looks, and then we'll just add maybe a headline in the first column and then a button in the second column. So let's just add column background color so we could easily see what we're doing here. So just give that a light gray, and the other column, let's just give a random background, maybe a darker gray. So, and let's add a sub headline for the headline element. So let's center this horizontally first. So go to row and then formatting, text align, center. So the tricky part here would be making this square. So let's try the first column first. Uh, the trick to make this square is to set the elements top and bottom margin. So let's just use percentage value here. So effects are drastic. Set a bottom margin to percentage. So that looks like a square, and then to make this follow the height of the first column, we'll adjust, or we'll add a flex layout, or flex, set this to display flex, and then adjust also the margin of the button so that it's center percentage, and then I know this is not a perfect center, but this is how you center currently in the builder. So save this first. So let's view this in mobile. So this looks good up to this point, but the smaller one, it's not looking nice. So maybe we'll wrap the row, maybe we'll wrap the display flex in media query. So remove this, and let's place this in a media query. So the width of the smaller view or smallest breakpoint is 480 pix. So let's put here min width 480 pix, and then target the element and display flex. That doesn't work. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Maybe 481. Yep, it's 481 at 480. So Maybe I apply the background to the headline. Nope. Let's see for a moment here. Oh, I set this to margin, which is correct, but this doesn't look good in mobile, so instead of margin we'll use instead padding. Set this to 0, set the padding to percentage top and bottom, and then bottom. So we'll just increase this maybe 30, 50. That's too big. 35. Let's just eyeball this. That looks like a square. So the beauty of this is you can control the aspect ratio of your column in mobile. So maybe if you want this to be a smaller in mobile, you can do this. Let's check in other parts. So maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Padding. Maybe we'll set the columns top and bottom padding. Let's see how this works. We'll adjust the padding of the column here. And the bottom, we'll just reduce the margin. See how that works. So as you can see here, you just adjust the margin or padding of columns and elements. So there you have it.